that's you. Whoever that was sneezing. It's really windy up here. We're at the first balcony. I had to pay €5 each to get up here. At the top, it's so windy.
Make sure your phone is not doing Oh my goodness.
My hair's blowing almost as much as yours. I'm a little afraid of heights. Okay, the wind right here isn't so bad. The wind's not bad right here, honey. All right, but look at this view from the top. I've found the side where the wind's not blowing too bad. Whoa, I'm getting gusts up here. It's supposed to be the highest peak around for quite some distance. It's the Mediterranean Sea right over there. Looking down on Barcelona. Stained glass windows are beautiful.
Oh my God.